across oceans and tides. We uphold a customer-first philosophy, make thousands of households safer. We're TOF DOOR. With a global footprint, we deeply understand that customers need more than products. They need lasting trust and professional solutions, with protection as our mission and trust as our foundation. We have evolved from a traditional supplier into a global security solution partner. Customer first and value driven, we build a solid safety barrier for our global clients. With professionalism, integrity, and responsibility. Rooted in the security door industry, we deliver solid safety with professional craftsmanship. We adopt premium materials and strict quality control, providing anti-theft doors, fire doors, engineering doors, and high-end custom door solutions. Empowered by consistent quality, we serve customers worldwide. Our business covers residential, commercial, and overseas projects, with customized one-stop services from design to final delivery, upholding fine workmanship and consistent quality. We secure lasting safety for global users. With years of global operation, TOF DOOR boasts an annual export volume over $10 million. Our business spans more than 80 countries worldwide with solid international recognition. Thanks to reliable quality and sound credibility, we have gained widespread trust from global clients and grown into a top Chinese security door partner for international buyers.
I'm Brenda from TOF DOOR. Hello, I'm July from TOF DOOR.
I'm Long from TOF DOOR.
TOF DOOR, beyond the safety, build trust.